In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix this message that pops up when you are trying to launch Forza Horizon 5. As you can see, it says that I do not have the latest graphics driver installed, which is correct. There is a newer driver available for an Nvidia graphics card. So I will be showing you how to download and install this driver. Unfortunately, this video is only if you're using an Nvidia graphics card. So the first thing you need to do is just close down this message by clicking on quit. And you now need to find out what graphics card you have in your computer. And the easiest and fastest way to do this is right clicking on the start menu icon and then selecting device manager. And you then need to expand display adapters. And as you can see, I have an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1660 Super. So I need to find the driver for this graphics card. You now need to click on the link that's in the description below, and you will then end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to select your product type. Like I said, I have a GeForce, which means I need to select GeForce. I had a 1660 Super, which means I need to select the 16 series, but also this is on a desktop PC, not a notebook. I then need to select my operating system. I'm using Windows 10. If you're using Windows 11, then select Windows 11, and you now need to ensure you have the game ready driver selected, and then you can change your language. You now need to click on search, and you then need to click on download, and this will download the latest driver for our Nvidia graphics card. You then need to click on download again and then save file. Once the file has finished downloading, you now need to run the setup file, and you then need to press OK. You will now have two different options. You can either choose to just install the graphics driver, or you can also install GeForce Experience. Now I like GeForce Experience, so I like to install this with my graphics driver, as it allows you to do all sorts of things like capture in-game content, or you can also take screenshots within the game and stuff like that. So GeForce Experience is very good and I like it. So once you are happy with your selection, and if you do agree to the license agreement, then you can click on agree and continue. You will now have two different options to choose from. I find the Express installation option does the job very well. It just upgrades your drivers and you don't have to do anything. Custom, you can select custom if you want, and then you can play around with a few of the options, and you can also do a clean installation if you want. But for this video, we are going to select Express, and then you need to press Next. And once the driver has finished installing, you can then choose if you want to launch GeForce Experience and create a desktop shortcut for Experience. I'm happy to not launch or create a desktop shortcut, so you can now press Close, and you will no longer get the message when you are trying to launch into Forza Horizon 5, as you now have the latest Nvidia graphics driver installed. So I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.